Tree Removal Greenslopes. Tree Lopping Carindale offers essential tree removal services when a tree becomes hazardous. Tree removal from your yard requires skilled professionals. We provide strategic tree removal without damaging other species or structures, using up-to-date machinery customized to your landscape. At Tree Lopping Carindale, we provide tree services such as tree lopping, dead tree removal, stump grinding, mulching, tree pruning, palm tree removal, and arborist reports. As a top Tree Lopping Greenslopes firm, we address your concerns promptly and offer cost-effective solutions. Our advanced tree removal methods ensure safety and efficiency. Our trained arborists provide expert tree care, diagnose diseases, and recommend treatments. Properly maintained trees enhance property value, while poorly maintained ones can be liabilities.